back in the workshop. Again, it's hot, but I got something new. I had a foot peg fail. This is something else I was gonna try. All right, check this out. Hey everybody, so this is Jerry here, Minomoto. I didn't have much luck with the foot peg, or the highway peg, when I tried to install it to get a little bit more comfortable. Before I even tried that, I did also order these from Biltwel Incorporated, the Punisher XL pegs. According to their website, they're made for certain model softails. If you're interested, you can look them up. But also the Pan Americas, which I guess maybe the way they attach is the same, I'm not sure. These are nice, heavy. Do you edit this stuff out, or do I just, I don't know. Oh, let me open it from right there. Alright. Wow, these guys are nice. They feel very solid. Definitely bigger than what was on the Pan America. We'll take it off, do a side by side. They look pretty easy to install. Looks like this, the physical foot peg, bolts right in. I did see a recommendation to put a little bit of Loctite on that after the pegs are on. The Pan America has some crazy latch pin system. From what I read, I'm gonna go take a look at that now, get these put on. All right, hang in with me. So I'm back on the floor, not a fat guy's favorite place to be, but I wanted to show you what I was looking at. Right here is the cotter pin that holds it in. There is a little teeny tiny nub I have to push in and kind of keep it in till I can get the pin out. And then once the pin's out, I just realign this little spring with the holes inside the new, it's right there with the holes right inside there, and the frame, and I should be good to go. The easy projects are always the worst though, so okay, try to turn this towards me. So that way I can see it in. Pair of pliers. Grab what's close. Leatherman. Alright. So now I just have to wiggle my way through. This piece at the end. Oh, I heard it snap. Oh, I can see it now. Push that in. Boop. Alright. It's right there. Push the foot peg down a little. Okay, so this is just what that little pin looks like. Should be able to zoom just like that. I just tap it down, work it through the plate. The spring comes out. The longer part will go back into the hole in the bike. So this foot peg goes this way. Let's get the right one. Smaller hole in there. Get my little think that was recorded all along. I'm not sure. I hope so. Seems to fit good. Moves up a little bit. Want to get the other one on. I'll get them settled, and then I'm going to Loctite it. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. But that pin was pretty easy. One more thing before I swing over there. Just want to show you. This is what came off it. It's pretty decent size. I don't understand why I had problems with it. This is what's going on it. Side by side, in front of each other. Bam. So I am picking up some space there. Alright, both sides are on. They work great. They snap back. Took the bolt out of the foot peg, and this is really a nice piece of work. I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite on this guy, put it in, and I'll be ready to go. It's pretty nice how the screw is recessed into this piece and then the actual peg slides in. It'll be a little bit stronger, a little bit more support. Once I get riding with the tail bag on the back, I actually climb on and off with the foot pegs. So it is just a hard stop. There's not a lot of play in there, so I'm definitely glad I went with the Loctite. I'll finish up on the other side, but just to show you how it looks. Nice flat finish. Has a little grippers for if you do some on-road with some mudding. It has good holes to let the mud through. That is one of the key things. But most of the time I'm a street rider. Folds up okay. Doesn't go back too far. It stops on the plate. Alright, beautiful piece of machinery. Can't wait to check them out. I'm not going to include that in the video because how can it be bad? But if it is, I'll tell you. Biltwel, beautiful foot pegs here. Everyone, thanks for watching. Ride safe and be kind to each other. Minnow is out.